Good morning, my dear students. Open your book on page number 53. Let us start Jainism. Vardhaman Mahavira was the greatest saint of Jainism, so he was the founder of Jainism. The Jains believed that Mahavira was the last of the 24 Tirthankras. Tirthankara means spiritual teacher, great teacher. So first Tirthankara was Rishabdev according to Jainism, and then last 24 Tirthankar he was Vardhaman Mahavira. So 24 Tirthankaras, great teachers were there in Jainism according to the information. So early life of Mahavira. He was born in 540 BC at Kundagrama. Now it is in Bihar. He was born into a royal family. At the age of 30, he left his home and wandered from place to place. He traveled from a place to place in search of true knowledge. After 12 years of meditation, Mahavira achieved supreme knowledge. Through this knowledge, he conquered both misery and happiness. He was known as the Jina. Conquered means he completed all the levels of misery and happiness. So these miseries and happiness of life were not affecting his personality at that time. So this state was known as that he gained true knowledge. So he became the Jina or the great conqueror. His followers were called the Jains. So Mahavira traveled from place to place. Already we have studied. Then he spread his message. In 468 BC. He passed away at Pavapuri. It is in Bihar near Rajgir. So at the age of 72. So what about teachings? So teachings are almost similar to the Buddhism. So we are going to study. Mahavira was against rituals and animal sacrifices. He believed that every living being has a soul. So therefore one should follow the principles of non-injury to all living beings. According to him, even the unconscious killing of an ant is a sin. So the goal of life according to Mahavira is to set the soul free and not to be born again into this world. So this was the main goal according to him, to release the soul, to free the soul from the recycle of birth and rebirth. Okay, so this can be achieved through the three ratnas or three jewels of life. According to him, these three ratnas: right belief, right knowledge, right action. So these are also included in the eightfold path of Buddhism. So Mahavira did not believe in caste system. Then he asked people to lead a simple life and follow a moral code of conduct. Then a religious text. Mahavira's teachings were simple and these were written in Ardha Magdi. It is a form of Prakrit language. So these are preserved through the oral tradition. They were later written down in the form of Purvas and Angas. Some later editions formed the Upangas or the minor sections. Mahavira's teachings were written in a form of Prakrit language and it is called Ardha Magdi. Ardha Magdi is a form of Prakrit language. Okay, so sects, groups. So Jainism split into two sects, two groups after the death of Mahavira: Digambaras and Shvetambras. So there are no major difference between these two sects, except Digambaras insist on the rule of nudity. It means Digambaras, they did not wear any clothes, while the Shvetambras wear white clothes. And Digambaras became confined to the southern India, and while Shvetambras settled down in Rajasthan and Gujarat and spread. So the causes of spread of Jainism were as follows. First, language, simple language. They preached in the language of the masses, common people. Then rejection of the caste system. Mahavira rejected the caste system. He believed in the equality of all human beings. So this attracted a large number of followers. Then royal patronage. Many kings patronized Jainism. This made Jainism popular. What are the causes of decline? First, Jainism had to compete with both Buddhism and Hinduism at that time, and there were no many popular Jain religious preachers after Mahavira. So loss of royal patronage, royal support. So these were the causes of decline of Jainism. So teachings were almost similar. So here this is the assignment. This is yes, this you have to do by self study. Buddhism and Jainism, a comparative study. Similarities, what are the similarities and what are the differences between both? This you have to do by your own. Okay, take reading and understand all the facts. Now with this we have completed this chapter.